Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Fill Valve Kit is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in maintaining a properly functioning toilet, preventing costly leaks and ensuring efficient water usage, making it an essential upgrade for any homeowner experiencing a constantly running toilet or slow-filling tank, ultimately saving you money and hassle in the long run. Number 5. Fluidmaster 400 CRP 14 Fill Valve and Flapper Repair Kit. Is your toilet constantly running or making strange noises? This repair kit is designed to tackle those common issues head-on. It replaces inefficient components to restore peace and efficiency to your bathroom. Say goodbye to leaky flappers and faulty fill valves. This comprehensive kit replaces these critical parts, ensuring your toilet functions smoothly and quietly. It's the ultimate solution for most common toilet fill problems. Designed for versatility, its fill valve easily adjusts from 9 to 14 inches. This ensures compatibility with most 2-inch flush valve toilets. It's perfect for toilets using 1.6 to 3.5 gallons per flush, or even larger. Don't worry about complicated repairs. This kit is engineered for a hassle-free setup. You can have your toilet flushing like new again in just 10 minutes or less. The solid frame flapper features advanced microban material, making it highly resistant to corrosion. This prevents breakdowns and leaks caused by bacteria, and it stands up to chlorine and hard water. Crafted from durable plastic and rubber, this kit is built for reliability. Proudly made in the USA, it ensures high standards of quality and performance for your home. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution for common toilet issues. Its corrosion-resistant flapper ensures long-lasting performance against bacteria and hard water. If you're looking for an all-in-one fix for noisy or leaky toilets, this durable kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Fluidmaster 400 PerforMAX Toilet Fill Valve. Is your toilet noisy or slow to refill? It's time for an upgrade that brings new life to your bathroom. This innovative valve is designed to enhance your toilet's overall performance. Say goodbye to long waits between flushes. This high-performance valve generates twice the refill rate of standard designs, ensuring your toilet is always ready when you are. It also eliminates annoying noises, providing a quieter bathroom experience. No need to worry about compatibility. This valve easily adjusts from 10 to 15 inches, making it ideal for most high-efficiency toilets, including those using 1.28 to 1.6 gallons per flush. It's truly a universal solution for your home. Take control of your water usage. Its adjustable roller clamp allows you to precisely regulate the fill level in the bowl, helping you conserve water with every flush. This smart feature can lead to significant savings on your utility bills. Don't stress about complicated installations. You can easily install this valve in 10 minutes or less, transforming your toilet's flushing power. Get your toilet flushing like new again with minimal effort. What we like. This valve is engineered for superior performance, delivering 2x faster refill rates than standard models. It also features a unique roller clamp for precise water level adjustment, helping you save water. If you want to upgrade to a high-efficiency system with quick refills and water conservation, this is your pick. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided empty source to extract points from. No positive reviews found in the provided empty source to extract points from. Number 3. Toto TSU99A.X Universal Fill Valve Assembly. Is your toilet running constantly or not flushing efficiently? This universal fill valve is the perfect solution to bring it back to peak performance. Designed for versatility, it features an adjustable height. This ensures a perfect fit for all Toto toilet tanks, making it a truly universal replacement. Once installed, it will reset your toilet tank to its optimal performance. You'll enjoy a reliable and efficient flush every time. Don't worry about complex setups. Its design allows for easy, do-it-yourself installation, saving you time and hassle. This assembly includes the valve, refill tube, clamp, cone washer, and nut. It also features a standard 7/8-inch inlet connection for broad compatibility. Crafted with quality in mind, this durable fill valve is proudly made in the USA. You can trust in its reliability and long-lasting performance. What we like. Designed specifically for Toto toilet tanks, this valve will reset your system to optimal performance. Its adjustable height ensures a perfect fit for various Toto models. If you own a Toto toilet and want to restore its original efficiency with an easy DIY installation, this is the ideal replacement. What people say. Number 2. SAMODRA Silent Toilet Fill Valve. Introducing the SAMODRA Silent Toilet Fill Valve. It's a high-performance replacement kit designed for easy installation and superior water management. Say goodbye to noisy, slow, or leaking toilets. This valve ensures a quiet and rapid tank refill, significantly enhancing your toilet's performance. Featuring patented water-saving technology, it delays activation until the flapper closes. This smart design can save you thousands of gallons of water annually. Adjusting its height and water level is incredibly simple. Just rotate the top cover to customize it to your specific needs. With an adjustable height range from 8.8 to 12.5 inches, it's designed to fit most American toilets. This ensures a perfect fit for your bathroom. Installation is quick and straightforward. Simply remove your old valve, insert this one, tighten the locking nut, and attach the refill tube. What we like. Experience a remarkably quiet and quick tank refill with this innovative valve, keeping noise under 30 dB. Its patented delay technology prevents water waste, saving thousands of gallons yearly. If you prioritize a peaceful bathroom experience and significant water savings, this silent and efficient valve is perfect. What people say. Number 1. Kohler 100-7488 Silent Toilet Fill Valve Replacement Kit. Introducing the Kohler 100-7488 Silent Toilet Fill Valve Replacement Kit. This complete assembly is designed to revitalize your toilet's performance. Say goodbye to outdated, inefficient, noisy, and leaky fill valves. This kit offers a modern solution for common toilet issues. Experience a truly silent operation with this innovative design. It also boasts 2x greater refill rates compared to standard fill valves. Installation is quick and straightforward. It features a durable brass tube and high-quality plastic components, ensuring a reliable replacement. This versatile kit is compatible with various toilet models, including San Rafael, Rialto, and Revival. It's the ideal choice for many households. What we like. This replacement kit is specifically designed for Kohler toilets, ensuring perfect compatibility and restoring quiet, fast operation. It eliminates noise while providing 2x greater refill rates than standard designs. If you have a Kohler toilet and need a silent, high-speed refill solution, this specialized kit is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.